This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Pam Fountain. Light and bright custom-built home with split bedroom floor plan. Great room with cathedral ceiling, custom stone fireplace with gas logs, opens to kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, 2 pantries, breakfast bar. Great room also opens to sunroom. Spacious master bedroom with access to sunroom. Spa-like ensuite bathroom with custom tile walk-in shower, double vanities with granite. Claw-footed soaking tub. 2 spacious guest bedrooms and guest bathroom. Light and bright sunroom with cathedral ceiling and access to deck. Bonus room above the garage suitable for multiple uses. Located on a corner lot close to golf courses and Lake Dartmoor. Storage shed. Sealed ductwork system for air purification. This home is a must-see. Dryer to convey also. For more information.